Are you sharing sensitive information with AI chatbots like ChatGPT? Every message you send, your name, email, phone number, even financial details, gets stored on their servers. But what if you could use AI without exposing your personal data? Introducing cloak.business, the privacy extension that protects your information using zero-knowledge encryption. Here's how it works. First, install the extension from the Chrome Web Store. When you visit ChatGPT, Claude, or any supported AI platform, click the extension icon and enable protection. Now, type your message normally. Include any personal information you need. When you click send, the extension intercepts your message and shows you exactly what it detected. Names, emails, phone numbers, addresses, ID numbers, everything is highlighted and categorized. Choose your anonymization method. Replace with placeholders, mask partially, hash, or encrypt with military-grade AES 256 encryption. You can also select from over 85 country-specific presets, from United States to Deutschland, España to Japan, each optimized for local data formats. Click Send Protected, and your data gets anonymized before it ever leaves your browser. ChatGPT only sees encrypted tokens, completely unreadable. But here's the magic. When the AI responds, you see your original information, automatically decrypted, highlighted in green. Toggle between views anytime to see exactly what the AI received versus what you see. Your encryption keys never leave your device. We use zero-knowledge architecture. Even we cannot access your data. In Settings, manage your presets, encryption keys, and view your protection history. Cloak.business works on ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Perplexity, and more. Protect your privacy today.